So we at the Chart Guys community love to integrate nature and stepping away from the screens and balance as a factor in our trading lifestyle. And it's an extremely important thing for resetting our minds and being able to do this with longevity and consistency.
So my biggest trade is usually the first hour of the trading day, and I always suggest to others and myself to take a walk, take a lap, whether it was a win or a loss, get out in nature. And my favorite saying is walk the dog. Like, leverage nature, leverage your dog to say, I'm going to get away from the computer and I'm going to let my stop loss and my price target do the heavy lifting.
And to build on that, a lot of traders struggle with that, with walking away from the screen, because you have this idea that the more activity that you have, the more work you're putting in, when really that's impatience, right? And so I think it's very important for traders to recognize that nature doesn't rush, but everything is accomplished, and that's just really how you need to see your own career and really everything, right? You can't force anything. So
in line with what Lamont's talking about, not only do we know that being one with nature is helpful for our balance in the trading game ourselves, we can look to nature and find parallels with how we trade. And one example of that is how if you're surfing, you might be sitting out there waiting for the perfect wave to come. And if you try to just jump on every wave, you might not get one that gives you the desired results. And when you're trading, you just got to wait for that good swell to come and then get on it. And that one ride can be what makes your day.
We happen to be sitting in a stream, so we have to use a stream analogy, and always going with the current helps newer traders. When you are an experienced trader like Charting Man Dan, you can nail those oversold balances, but for the most part, newer traders need to focus on trend traders. You don't want to swim up that way. We want to go with the trend, and it helps your probabilities for your win rate.
if you are going to do an oversold balance, make sure the time frame above you is going the same way you want to go, right? So yeah, for sure. Just go with the flow.